Let me introduce to you the Kip engine. Although we call it an engine, it is much more than that. Unlike traditional 3D engines, the one we have developed in-house is entirely web-based, which means that the rendering and the animation is done in your browser, no matter your device. And all the 3D spaces you create and navigate, all the data, the assets, are on a network of servers backed by the blockchain and permanent web storage solutions such as Arweave. In fact, all the footages in this video are recorded in Engine, straight from the web. As you can see, we've got high quality graphics and real-time physics. Of course, we also have avatars and VR ready for Oculus. Likewise, our 3D editor is entirely inside the browser and allows you to build just about anything straight on the web, without having to worry about storage or accessibility. Thanks to the inventory of 3D assets and the extensive use of drag and drop, building the metaverse has never been so easy. Just drag whatever 3D models, materials, or even special effects from your inventory or even straight from your hard drive, and it will be added to your 3D space. Likewise, adding an NFT is just a matter of creating a frame and putting it against the wall in the gallery of your choice. Lightings, shadows, reflections are all handled in real time by the engine, so you need not worry about these either. Sharing a space is just as easy. Just click to save your work and obtain a URL, which will allow you users to get inside your space from anywhere using any device. Finally, we have developed what we call meta assets. These are permanently stored 3D assets, accessed and managed through SmartWeave contracts. This new type of NFT was developed to answer the need for a reliable resource management system for web-based 3D assets, which one can be composed of many 3D models, textures, and animations. As such, this may need to be managed by a whole team of experts and updated later on. This was never an issue for traditional games, but in the metaverse, assets can become incredibly valuable things, and we need to make sure that the data will still exist and be functional many years into the future. As you can see, creating a meta asset is as simple as clicking on Create Meta Asset. You then have access to an interface that will allow you to choose not only the name and the structure of the asset, but also the team members and roles. To connect the meta asset to actual resource files, you just need to create a node in the asset structure and upload the file using the corresponding button. The URL will automatically be added to the contract. Afterward, the meta asset can be loaded in the engine by simply specifying its ID. Any update to the asset, including new files, can be done through the interface and will be reflected in all the metaverses using it. Thank you for your attention.